Hey everybody, welcome back to the Canning Nana, and as promised we have apples in the crock pot and they're going to be cooking overnight. They've already been cooking for about 2 hours on high, or maybe, yeah, about 2.5 hours on high. So I'm going to lower this. I lowered it down to low and I'm going to be cooking this all night. And this is about goodness, 7 pounds of apples, peeled and chopped. And all I have in here is a cup of water and a half cup of apple cider vinegar. So I'm going to be adding a 3/4 cup of brown sugar to this and some spices, some cinnamon and nutmeg and a little bit of cloves. And then we'll taste test this in the morning and we'll go from there. And I'll show you how to make apple butter. So it's late, so goodbye for now, and we'll see what this looks like in the morning.